back to my channel. In today's video, it is going to be a what my little one eats throughout the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 2 snacks. I'm gonna show you all the behind the scenes, how I meal prep everything for her, what I feed her, and what she's really liking at the moment. Also, stay tuned because with my little snacks, it also helps me throughout the week because we're gonna make some smoothie packs, which are really super simple to keep in the freezer. And I like to snack on those as well. And also some really tasty energy bites. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angela and I like to do videos on all things about motherhood, family, lifestyle, and homemaking. So I would love it if you guys would click that like, share, and subscribe button. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell. So for these smoothie packs, you really only need 2 things. A bag of frozen fruit of your choice, a bag of baby spinach, and then some sandwich bags. So what I really do is I put a 1/2 cup of frozen fruit and about a handful of spinach in the little sandwich baggies and I pop them in my freezer. Then on the date of when Ava wants a smoothie or myself, or sometimes we split one, it's as easy as I pull that out, I pop the frozen mixture into my NutriBullet, and then sometimes I also add in about a 1/4 cup of oats, especially if this is gonna be a breakfast for me. A 1/4 cup of oats. You can also jazz it up. Chia seeds, you can add in protein powder. Sometimes I add in some plain Greek yogurt. I use cashew milk, any way you like it, but these are so easy. And for those mornings or for those snack times, when you don't know what to give your little one, but you don't want them to like be snacking on sugary things, smoothie packs always save the day. So easy is 1, 2, 3. So this particular frozen fruit mix that has peaches, strawberries, and blueberries, which is delicious. So now I have 4 smoothie packs all packed and ready. And with the leftover fruit, Ava wants a snack. So me and her, we're gonna share a smoothie. right, we've had breakfast and a snack, and now it's time to make Ava's lunch, and this is one of her favorite lunches. If I'm being honest, it's my favorite way to have lunch as well. I call it kind of like a picnic lunch. So today's kind of a crummy day, so it's not the best to go outside for a picnic. However, we can have a little picnic inside. So we're gonna have cheese crackers. Ava likes pepperoni with that, and then apple cut up with peanut butter. And so then she can pick and make up kind of like her own little lunch. She loves to have this, and it's probably the easiest and fastest way to get lunch on the table, especially if you've been working all day. All right, so it is snack time for my little one, and what I really like making is these energy bites. I've made them before on my channel, I've made them on my Instagram. I love them so much. I love them so much. But they're really tasty. They're healthy ingredients: oats, coconut, some honey, you need chocolate chips and some raisins and some peanut butter, and you got a great recipe. So now for the peanut butter, I actually use this Only Peanuts Smooth. There's less sugar in this one, which makes me feel better for the amount of honey that we put in. These are super tasty, so here is the recipe. All right, so these are all made into their little energy bites. So I'm gonna pop these in the fridge, and they gotta sit for about an hour to let them sit and get nice and firm, and then keep them in the fridge and enjoy them all week long. All right, so now it is dinner time, and for dinner I'm actually gonna cook up a family favorite. It is quite chilly today. It's a rainy day, so we are gonna have butter chicken with naan bread. Now, Ava really likes butter chicken. Sometimes she pretends or she forgets that she likes it, which is fine. But what I do, this is one of the best butter chicken sauces. It's KFI butter chicken. You can find this at Costco. I also found this at my local grocery store. So I'm gonna cook up some chicken breasts, and then to increase the veggies, I sneak in some frozen cauliflower. So I just cut it up in small pieces and I pop it in, and she doesn't know the difference, and she really likes it. Merrick likes it, I like it. And then you can't go wrong with garlic naan bread. So it's gonna be a warm, cozy comfort food night, but we're still getting those veg in. So for this butter chicken, I'm also making some basmati rice in my trusty old rice cooker. I'm making quite a lot of basmati rice because it's not just for this recipe, it's actually for another one. So I made some shredded chicken taco meat the other night. So I'm gonna do some taco bowls or some burrito bowls. So I thought that'd be nice. I'll cook us some extra chicken. So I'm getting way better. I think that's one thing I've learned over this past crazy year is I'm getting better at like doubling up on meals and thinking ahead. Okay, if I'm cooking rice now, I need it later on in the week, so I might as well cook up a bunch so that it lessens my load later on. So that's a little mom tip for you guys. All right, so it is dinner time and I know my little one is going to gobble this up. I hope that you guys enjoyed what my little one eats throughout the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. I'm gonna sit down and dig into this butter chicken. For giving me the things I need, sun and the rain and the apple seed, the Lord is good to me. Johnny Appleseed, amen. Bread, her favorite part. Okay, Ava. Butter chicken time! Good? You see, bye? Bye! See you guys later.